One of the cool things that you could do is add a heat map to your website so that you know where people are clicking, and that way you could get much more info on where people are visiting more and what's something that people are clicking more, so that you could make your website align to that informations. So let me just show you guys. This is my own website, which I have all of the stuffs with like templates and stuff, with blogs, lots of stuff I've presented on my website. And if I go into plugins, add new, I'll add something called Aurora Heat Maps. And you need to make sure that the cookies are enabled, because Aurora Heat Maps actually uses cookies, so that if there is a cookie notification, you will need to provide it for your website. So right now you could see I went into settings, and then in settings you have an option called Aurora Heat Maps, where you could simply go around here and check all of the heat maps that we are showing. If I click around here, you could see where it is showing, or where the clicks are actually on the desktop version. So yeah, you could see some people clicked around here. So I have 7 clicks around here, it seems. 1 click somewhere around here. There's 1 click around here. You could see from this ones. Load more clicks. Visit YouTube and check recommendation. There's clicks around here in the newsletter section. Next is on this personal business design. You could see how nicely it looks, where the clicks are, where people are clicking the most. There are 10 clicks around here. And this is the free version, by the way. So usually in free version you also get mobile stuff, but it's not showing because nobody has visited from mobile, it seems. And I did had an option to actually check it, but in the free version it does not keep it forever. So if we get into like premium version, so like we do not get like attention heat maps and stuff, so it does not show you where people were like stopping and watching and stuff like that. It only shows like the click heat maps for the free ones. So the retention period is just 1 month for the free version, but you could keep it like 3 months, 6 months in the free version. So yeah, so many options. Let's say if I click on this one, you could see the amount of clicks that I have, like download now, live demo, stuff like that. So that's how you can actually check the clicks. But if you get the premium version, you could check attentions and stuff like that, and a lot more.